Hello students, in this video we are going to see about the exercise which is related to enterprise resource planning. So let us start with the first question of enterprise resource planning. So the first question is filling the blanks, and dash is a group of people and other resources working together to form a common goal. So the right answer here is enterprise. So I'll just write the answers here. So the right answer for the first is enterprise. Then the second filling the blank. So the right answer for the second filling the blank is different types of resources in an enterprise are men, dash, money and machine. So the right answer is material. Okay. The third section is the dash module can collect financial data from various functional departments and generate the valuable financial reports. So we have several modules like HR module, then financial module, distribution module. So the right answer here is financial module. Okay. Next is the fourth question. So here we have a dash is a source of organization's electronically stored data. So this is ERP. So ERP is only the source in which we can electronically store a data. So that is enterprise resource planning. It is basically a system which helps us to store the data. So this is all about the first part of your exercise. Now let us come to the second part. So the second part consists of true or false. So the first question in the part of true or false is planning helps us to improve the performance of the organization. So yes, it is true. Future performance can be improved, so it is true. Next is MIS is implemented by the company to handle its contact with its customer. So this is wrong. It is not the work of MIS. There is the customer relationship other module which is working on it. So this is going to be false. So the answer for this is false. Let us go ahead for the third part, that is to run an ERP system, trained and experienced employees are needed. So exactly true. ERP system is a difficult task. So you require to train your employees. Next is better decision from an enterprise will help them to go a step ahead of its companies. So this is true. If you take a better decision, definitely your company will be one step ahead of others. Now match the following. This is your third part. So let us see the answers for your match the pairs. So this is, first is trained staff. So basically trained staff is going to help you in what that we are going to write here. So I'll just write here trained staff. So trained staff is going to do or solve the problems of ERP implementation. Okay, so this is the right answer. That is, it is going to solve the problems of ERP implementation. Then the second is information integrity. So information integrity, it is one of the positive point of ERP. So that will come under the benefits of ERP. Okay, so the answer for it is benefits of ERP. Then third is Odoo. So Odoo is one of the package. So it's an ERP package. So Odoo is an ERP package. So I'll just save it here. Next we have is MIS. So MIS is one of the ERP technology. Okay, so that's the right answer for it. So I'll just write it as ERP technology. Okay, so this is all about the objective part. Then there are some answers, question answers which you will get. So you have to write the 4 benefits of ERP. So you know that how it is going to help the organization. So there are several benefits of ERP which is going to help the organization to raise its output. Then you have the modules like manufacturing module, financial module, HR module, production module. Okay, and you have to write the benefits like improved resource utilization, better customer satisfaction. Then there are some drawbacks of ERP like problems which can be arised. So in that you can write high cost, you require a training for the employee. Okay, so all these are the problems. Then the security concern can also be one of the problem. So these are the things which you can write. So this is the exercise which is based on the last chapter, that is enterprise resource planning. So that's all. You can get all the exercises on this channel. Do watch it. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe the channel.